Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on Learn Persian for Beginners. In the last lesson, you learned about the basic sentence structure. In this lesson, we will learn more about the relationship between a subject and a verb. You can visit our page on persiancampus.com to get free access to podcasts, transcripts, songs, and early access to our videos and more. So let's begin. درس نهم. یه بار دیگه. درس نهم. ساخت جمله. یه بار دیگه. ساخت جمله. Here is an overview of what we will be learning. In this lesson, we will be analyzing the three singular pronouns من, تو, او, the verb conjugation according to their subjects, and their endings. In the end, we'll do a small exercise. Let's first look at three very common sentences you have already learned. من سعید هستم. تو کجا زندگی می‌کنی؟ او از کجا می‌آید؟ Now, let's pick up the pronouns in each of these sentences. When I'm talking about myself, man is the pronoun for the first person. When we are talking about the second person, then we use the pronoun to, and it is singular. And when we talk about another person in singular position, that doesn't make a difference either that person is a he or she, male or female, we use only u. That in spoken form, we change it to un. These are the singular pronouns. Now, let's look at the verb conjugation. Here are three sentences. Just look at the pronouns and concentrate on the verb endings. من تهران زندگی می کنم. تو کجا زندگی می کنی؟ اون اینجا زندگی میکنه. In each of these sentences, the verb ending has been highlighted. The ending of all these verbs is different. The endings actually depend on the subject that you are using in the sentence. The endings with man is am, with to is e, and with un or u is ad, which we change it in a spoken form to e. Let's pick up the verb once again, زندگی کردن. This is the infinitive form of the verb. That means the verb is not conjugated. When we conjugate this verb, it looks like this. من زندگی می کنم. تو زندگی می کنی. او زندگی می کند. Or اون زندگی می کنه. Now let's look at another verb, آمدن. The infinitive form of the verb is آمدن, and here is the conjugation. من می آیم. تو می آیی. او می آید. However, in the spoken form, we pronounce them as من میام. تو میای. اون میاد. Once again, the ending for man is am, for to is e, and for un is ad or e. But here in this example, we didn't change it to e because the previous sound is already a vowel. And in Persian, we cannot pronounce two vowels sitting next to each other. Let's come to the next verb. The infinitive form of the verb is داشتن. This is a very important verb in every language. When we conjugate it, that would be من دارم. تو داری. او دارد. Or اون داره. Let's get to another verb. The verb is گفتن. The conjugated form is من میگویم. تو میگویی. او میگوید. However, in the spoken form, we change them to من میگم. تو میگی اون میگه. Don't forget, we are conjugating these verbs in the present tense, and in the past tense, the stem of the verb is different. If you want to learn more, please visit our grammar videos on PersianCampus.com, lessons 5 to 10, to make sure that you understand the differences between present stem and past stem. We will work on past stem in another video. Now, let's practice a little what we have learned. You will have to conjugate the verb for I, you, she or he, and fill in the blanks. Here is the first sentence. زندگی کردن. من اصفهان. First, you should look at the subject and then conjugate the verb according to the subject. Your answer should be من اصفهان زندگی می کنم. Here is the next sentence and the verb is آمدن. تو از کجا? The subject in this sentence is تو, so your answer should be تو از کجا می آیی or تو از کجا می آیی. Let's now move on to the next sentence. The verb is گفتن. تو چی? Here again, the subject is تو and the verb must get the E ending. That would be تو چی میگویی? That we can change it to the spoken form. تو چی میگی? And here is the last one. The verb is داشتن. من یک کتاب و دو مداد. Here again, the subject is من. The conjugated form of the verb is من یک کتاب و دو مداد دارم. Very well. Now let's summarize what we have learned. There are 6 pronouns in Persian language, 3 singular and 3 plural pronouns. The singular pronouns are man, تو, او, for the first, second, and third person. The other pronouns will be introduced in a different video. The verb is conjugated according to the subject in the sentence. The ending for man is am, for to is e, and for u or un is ad that we can change it to e. We will learn more on different pronouns and tense in the following videos. If you want to practice what you have learned today, you can watch the grammar videos on PersianCampus.com. You can also access to other videos, podcasts, and transcriptions in PersianCampus.com. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive the notifications. And if you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. ممنونم. خدا نگهدار.